Salutations, my dear fantastic folks. This is Hershey, your SST fellow. I am back with the chapter number 8, Mineral Resources of India, of your course book, Dying Travelers Acknowledged series by Amit Publishing House. As we do in our all the classes, so get ready for the exercise. Identify the following objects below, then using the internet or other possible sources determine that type of mineral it is and are present in the given below. So can you identify this picture, which mineral it is? Let me tell you, this is iron, right? Next is copper, and the third one is gold. Ornaments, your moms must be wearing ornaments of gold, right? So this is the minerals. So let's see, start with the chapter naturally occurring substances that are found deep in the earth's surface are known as minerals. So now you can tell what is mineral. Mineral is the natural occurring substance, means this is gifted by nature. Again, it is the natural resource and you can find the minerals in earth surface, right? They are found in different types of rocks and on ocean and on the river beds. All minerals are not found in their pure form, right? It is mixed with some dust or some stones, right? We need to take out the metal out of this. All minerals are not found in the pure form, and what do we call this impure form? This is called ore. Ore is an impure form of a metal, of a mineral, right? So we take out this ore form and we send this ores to the factories to take out the pure form of this mineral, right? The process of digging out minerals from inside the earth, it is called mining, and the holes that we are digging in the earth is called mine, and the people who are working in the mines are known as miners, right? So now you know that what is mines. These are the deep holes that are dug into the ground, right? The people who are working in the mines are called miners, and the process of digging into the earth is called mining, right? Now let's start with the types of minerals. On the basis of their composition, minerals are broadly classified into two: metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals, right? Metallic and non-metallic minerals. So let's start what all minerals comes under metallic and what falls under non-metallic category. So let's start with the metallic minerals. Minerals from which metal can be extracted is called metallic minerals. So let's see what all are the examples. Iron, copper, bauxite, gold, manganese, silver are some examples of metallic minerals. We can take out this metal from the ores. So, right, this is called the metallic minerals. You should remember the names. It is iron, copper, gold, manganese, bauxite and silver are some examples. That's not all. The list is huge. These are only some examples of metallic minerals. The ores from the mines are collected and melted in the factories to take out this metal from this ores. The miners take out these ores from the mines, right? And they send these ores to the factory where these ores are get melted, and the pure form of that metal is extracted. Then this metal is sold in the market for their making the other things out of it, right? So start with iron. Iron is very important for development of any country. Why it is so? Let's see. It is called the backbone of civilization. Why this name is given to the iron? Because India has about 1/4 of the world's iron ore deposits. We should be proud to our India. India is 1/4 of the world's iron ores are found in India. Machine. Why it is called it is very important for growth of a country? Let's see. Because all the machines, bridges, houses, railway tracks are made with iron. So it is very important because it is used in constructions. Lots of machines are being made, right? Houses, it is used in houses, and utensils are also made with the iron. So many things are made with the iron, and this is called backbone of civilization, right? So these are found where these ores are found. These are found in Chhattisgarh, Singhbhum, Jharkhand, Odisha, Goa and Karnataka. India exports iron ores mainly to Japan, right? So we are not only using the iron, we are exporting it. Export means to send the goods, anything to the other countries, and we get money for this, right? We are paid for this. So we are sending or we are exporting the iron ore to Japan. Here is the picture, an open cast iron mine in Maharashtra. People are working here, right? So next is copper. Copper is mainly used in electrical wires. Why it is used in electrical wires? Because copper is very good conductor of electricity. Now, what does this conductor means? Conductors means the electricity can pass through these wires very easily, right? So it is mainly used in electrical wires, and tools are also being made with it, and the utensils are also made with copper. So not only electricity wires, tools and utensils are also made with the copper. Ore is mainly found where? It is found in Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. It is brown color shiny metal, right? And used for electricity wires. Remember, copper is very good conductor of electricity. Now next is manganese. Manganese is used to make steel, glass. It is alloy. Now what does it mean, alloy? Alloy is mixture of two metals, right? So manganese is mixed with steel, with glass. It gives strength to that thing. So to give the strength, manganese is mixed with other metals. So that is why this is called alloy. And also in blue pottery. Alright, it is mined mainly in Karnataka, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Goa. So this is the picture of manganese, right? This is mixed with, it works like alloy. Alloy means mixing of two metals. It is basically done to give the strength to the metal. Now aluminium. Aluminium is light metal extracted from bauxite ore. Aluminium, the ore is called bauxite, and the metal that is extracted from bauxite, it is aluminium. It is used for making aeroplanes, it is used for making utensils and other household items, right? So we use aluminium to make many things. India's large reserves of bauxites are found in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, right? Now, next is gold. Gold is very expensive metal. It is very expensive and it is primarily used for making ornaments, right? It is mined in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, right? Now, come to the non-metallic minerals. In India, minerals in which metals are not found are called non-metallic, as simple as that. From the minerals which metals can be extracted out, it is called metallic minerals, and from which the minerals that are not carrying the metals into it are called non-metallic minerals, right? These are non-metallic minerals. So example of non-metallic minerals are coal, petroleum, mica, limestone and salt are some examples of non-metallic minerals. Now let's see one by one. First start with mica. It is used mainly in electrical goods, right? As we have seen, the copper is used to making electrical wires because it is the good conductor of electricity. Mica is also used in electricity goods, but it is insulator. It is not good conductor. It is insulator. Insulator is from which electricity cannot be passed. It blocks the electricity, right? So it is used in electrical goods. It works as insulator, right? It is found in Jharkhand, Bihar, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. Alright, let's see what is next. It is limestone. Limestone is used to make cement. Yes, cement is made with limestone mineral, right? It is deposits are found where? Again in Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Karnataka and Gujarat are some states where limestone mineral is present, and we make what? We make cement with this limestone, right? Now the turn for coal. Coal is used as fuel. Earlier coal used as fuel in the steam engines, right? So it is used in generating electricity. Kids, I told you in the previous chapter about the dams where hydroelectricity is being generated. Here, if the electricity is being generated by coal, right, it is called the thermal electricity. There is a difference, thermal electricity and hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity is being made by water and thermal electricity is made by coal. So heating and cooking and in various other industries, coal is used as fuel. Coal deposits are found in Jharkhand, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Petroleum is again non-metallic mineral. Petroleum is found deep into the earth and under the sea bed. Oil wells are dug, like mines are dug in the earth's surface. So similarly, oil wells are dug to reach to the oil, right? It is blackish and very thick kind of oil. We take out this oil and we refine this oil and so many things out. After filtration of this oil, we get petrol, we get diesel, we get mobile oil, so many things we get kerosene oil too, right? Of this, out of this oil. So are dug to reach the oil. Oil fields is an area where many wells are dug. So this is the area, oil field, where many wells are dug, and with this oil wells we reach to the oil in the earth and we take out, then we send this oil to the refineries, right? The petroleum extracted is made pure by removing other substances present in refineries. Then this is called crude oil, kids. The unpure form, which is impure, this form is impure and this is called crude oil. We send this crude oil for the filtration in refineries. After refining, petroleum products like petrol, diesel, kerosene oil, cooking gas, etc. are obtained, even white petrol also. In India, Assam, Gujarat and Mumbai have large petroleum reserves. Oil refineries are found where? It is in Mumbai, in Chennai, in Kochi and in Mathura as well, right? So here in these states, the refineries are there. We take out this crude oil and this crude oil is sent for purification to these refineries, and out of this we get white oil, kerosene oil, petroleum, diesel, mobile oil from this, right? Petrol and diesel are used to run automobiles. Automobiles means car, trucks, car, bus and scooters, vehicles, right? Auto rickshaws. So these are called the automobiles. So petrol and diesel used to run automobiles, to use trains and to aeroplanes, right? Aeroplane, white petrol is used to run the aeroplane, right? Kerosene and cooking gas are used for cooking. Kerosene, right? Kerosene, we put kerosene to fire it, to light the fire, and cooking gas we used, and these things we obtain from oil, from the petroleum products. Other products from petroleum are used in making plastic and cosmetics too, right? Some of this part of this oil is used in making plastics and cosmetics. Now, conservation of minerals. Kids, till now we must have understood that the petroleum or the minerals, the other minerals, mica, limestone, gold, silver, all these are natural resources, right? Natural resources means these metals or metals we extract from minerals. These minerals are given by nature to us. So these are called natural resources. We should use them wisely, right? It is very important to remember that minerals are non-renewable. Renewable means if it is exhausted, cannot be made once again. in nature. It takes very long time to make. Again, it takes thousands and millions of years to form these minerals. Hence, it is our duty to use them wisely. By how we can do this? Let's see. Putting off the vehicle engines at the red light. We should always put off the vehicles, like when we are standing on roads and light is red light says to stop. We should always put off the vehicle engines by walking short distances instead of using vehicles. It is good for our health also. If we are walking, the walk is very necessary for our health, and it is also helpful to conserve the minerals. We should walk for short distances instead of using vehicles. For making carpools to go to school, offices, etc. We should practice this. Carpooling is very important. It saves fuel and it saves money as well. It is important to replace the use of coal and petroleum by renewable sources. What are renewable sources? Renewable sources means these are present in the nature in abundance, like wind, sun and water are unlimited and are always available to us. So we, instead of using petroleum or other metals, we should technology needs to be developed so that we can use air, water and sunlight to run these vehicles. So that's all for this session, minerals, right? So let's revise the notes. Minerals are naturally occurring substances found under the earth's surface, and minerals are of two types, metallic and non-metallic. Promotion of renewable energy, recycling of metals and monitoring trade practices in mineral industries are few steps taken to conserve minerals. Minerals are renewable resources, kids, right? So we should need to take some steps to prevent or conserve these minerals, right? So we have reached the end of the session, which is answer the following question. What are minerals? Name the two groups of minerals with two examples of each. We have done this. Where are oil fields found in India? Right, we have seen so many places where oil fields are found. Right, the difference between metallic and not metallic minerals. Explain the use of manganese and where it is found in India. And the last one is list of uses of aluminium. Where is aluminium found in India? I hope you can answer all these questions because this is explained to you in detail, right? So please do on your own. So I will connect you in next class of SST. Stay connected or excited for clamp of more videos, kids. Till then, bye and take care.